Kani gade Pati CCTV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ringkat borak kawai dari India, haka arp sautrek menta unai weng. Haka ni kanong ba shulong ru bat haka jelahi borak kawai. Layok ban pelat pej ba yaki kali ki badang super mi temai da ke company Mahindra. Yaki beratip kom ke Scorpio S2. Bat ke Scorpio TUV 300 T110. Yaki ni kali haka ni ke jela komjo haka ni kanong ba shulong. La pelat pej ba haka jelang ke balalong haka arp sautrek balala. Mahindra Stanley Roy Construction Showroom. Kabaran hamaulai nongkwar ringkat bat kejingdan lang UMLA Kamaulai Constituency ba embha lang simle ba UMDC kene kathan ba proses di saukmi kejing pelat yakini kali thamai kolong ro komsi benta kejing rakhe ya kejing dap katsan snem nado balapenmi kali Scorpio ya ke balapenmi ningkong house nem R1000R hakani gesngi ba embha lang simle ulaket boket ruang ru yu ba Stanley Roy ba de company Mahindra bakindang la ban ai kejing sakri kebajana ya kipat ba kejela pada karihi burakawai haka ba penmi kali baper jongani ke company.
Today we are here celebrating together because of one reason. Because of the Mahindra company now we will be launching this new vehicle, the new Scorpio. Because of this family has stood up and take action, the Stanley Roy Construction family. We are here celebrating together enthusiasm, commitment and hard work. We are here together because of one reason. As I've said that the Mahindra now will be launching this new vehicle, this new Scorpio. And we are here together because behind of the hard-working and successful in business by the Mahindra company, behind it there is one man, one family, and that is the Stanley Roy Construction family under my head. We are very thankful to you, Maher, Baburet, Batan, because they have worked so hard in making this business to be very popular in West State. So congratulations, Maher. What is wonderful, beautiful day in launching this new vehicle. We wish you good health. God will bless your family. God will be with you. Baburet, Batan, Meshbonipi, the community. Bagaimana dia kejopi, ke family kejopi, ke business kejopi, strong Stanley Roy Construction family, kena kejunjung, kena ai ke service ke bakau, kena kenta, entang ni kena kejunjung ni, mereka kena tambut, dia kena kejalan.